Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. So I'll be making a sunray skirt that you're seeing on your screen. The full length of my skirt is 27, but here I have 25 because I thought I would be using this black elastic as my band, but then I changed my mind because the color wasn't match. So then I cut out a pieces of fabrics, yes, about 3 inches pieces of fabrics. So this is the fabrics that I'm going to be using as a band because I want a matching band for that same skirt. So and I'll be using this elastic rubber. So what I would do now is that I will join that pieces that I've already cut out, which is 3 inches in length. So I will join it to the main fabric at the waist. So at the waist. So you can see that the down part of the sunray is etiaje, or how do they call it? So I'll join it to the, so I will leave it that way. I won't be stitching the down part. I will leave it the way it is. So I'll go ahead to join the pieces that I wanted to use as a band. So I'll join into the main fabric here. I'll join it from one edge to the last edge, like so. So here I'll take it to my machine and join it, and after that I've joined it, I'll come back to come and show you guys. So here I've already joined the pieces to the fabric, you can see it. So what I'll do next is that I'll fold the two edge, I'll fold the two edge, and I'll start from the down part and I will stitch it with 1 inch or 1.5 inch straight to the top. So after stitching it, I'll come show you guys how it look like. Now I am done stitching it, and this is what it looks. You can see it looks like a big, very big skirt. So that is how it is. Just exactly when you want to sew your shokoto, your trouser. So here you fold in with 1/2 inch, and that 1/2 inch, as you have folded it, you just place it on that rough edge. Can you see? You let it cover that rough edge and you will stitch it all through. You stitch it all through, and make sure that when you are stitching, you leave like 1/2 inch space or 1 inch space for the elastic to pass through. So here you can see. So now I'm trying to insert my elastic into that hole that I've stitched down from their waist part. So this is me trying to insert the elastic into the hole. So it is actually very easy to make. It is very easy to make. And as you can see, you will see that our skirt is done already. So now I'll go to the machine and stitch down. If you have been following this tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, comment and share.